welcome back to another video where today we are back on Case Animatronics 2, where today we're going to be heading into the third episode called The Biodegradable Waste Biodegradable Waste, whatever it is called. Yeah, in the last episode, we got past the, ball, which was in the other episode, which was called Revenge, as you saw there. And now we are here inside some weird mineshaft. I wonder how this episode's gonna turn out. We're getting up. And I'm not exactly home right now, I'm at a different house. I'm at my nan's house, so,
well, here I am.
Yeah.
Where am I, anyway? I've got to get out of here.
Yeah, you surely have got to. This is where the cat fell. Hint, find a way out. So, this is where we fell, and oh, that's the hole that we fell through. And, can we interact with this cat? Oh, we can.
I like this toy a lot better now.
Yep, because he's dead. Of course. Okay. Whoa! What's going on? Why is it shaking? Why is this place shaking? Whoa! What was that? Oh my god. That scared me. Why on earth was it shaking? D3. Gas. Oh, we're not dying.
Waste.
Oh, biological.
Resource, just like all the others.
Okay, a door. Alright. Was that necessary, game? Was that necessary? Okay, he's not there anymore. Was that necessary, game? Jesus, a giant jump scare just appears out of nowhere. D5. So we must not be in the mine shop, we must be in some other place down below the place that we were just in. What's going on? Where are we? Who was that? That was an animatronic. Where did he go? He went in here. That must have been a hallucination because he's not here. Ooh, coin. Don't mind if I do. Grab that coin. I can't grab the coin. What's the point of placing a coin here if you can't grab it? Is this just for show? What was the point of that? Green gas. Alright, B1. Alright, ooh, door. C1. Okay, it's locked. Oh, giant rebel and exit. This is what we need to find. Yes. What was that about? What? Find another way out. Okay. Looks like we're doing this again. What's up those stairs though? It's just a little room right there with another piece of rubble. Okay. If this was a multiplayer map from the PC version, then I don't know what's the point of adding the maps, but not the game. Seriously, what's the point of adding maps from the game if you just might as well add the entire game? Why just add the maps to the multiplayer version? Can't get under there. Yeah. There's no gas in here anymore. Wait. What? Oh, another is this? Oh no, this is also just for show. What the hell? Oh man, what's the point of that? Locked. Huh? What? 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 Are you kidding me? That was just so unexpected. You giving me an unexpected jump scare. Oh, great. Alright, now we have to do this again. Alrighty guys, the ads just ended. I don't know why I didn't think about this before, but if I turn off this, if I turn off my internet, then I should be able to play this game without ads. That's it. So I don't really know why I didn't think about this before. So stupid. Really. I am so stupid for not figuring that out. Alright. So, yeah, here we go. Jesus, hurry up, game. If you don't hurry up, I will restart this game. Guys, I'm gonna restart the game and I'll meet you guys when it's done. Alrighty guys, I'm back, but oh, what the heck? Oh, that explains why. That explains why the game did that. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Never mind guys. I finally figured out that wasn't because that wasn't just to turn off the game because I didn't have, internet on. That was only to just tell me that was on, so I couldn't really have access to anything else. Oh my god. So technically what I gotta do here is I need to trigger the cat and run because he's going to break free from this prison once I do this. There he is. Okay. Oh god, no. No, no. No, 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 this is not happening. I can still hear him as well. I think I was lucky enough to lose him. Exit. Nice. Exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah.
I think this is what I've been looking for. But I need a valve or a generator to open the door.
You've got to be kidding me. We came all that stinking way just to find out that we need a valve or a stinking generator to open up the door. Do my best. Oh, the game's saved, which is great. Don't want to end up losing all my progress. Oh my goodness. This is taking some time and wait, am I even supposed to be coming this way? I mean, I guess I should, but I'm gonna explore first. What the heck? Well, good thing I was going to explore, because this is new.
I need results, Mr. Digi. I don't want to see you expressing any more sympathy for these creatures.
Oh, what's that?
Or you'll be taking part in your own experiments.
Oh, it's a gas bomb. That makes sense. There's so many everywhere. Oh, okay. So the gas bombs trigger illusions. Okay.
Whoever was messing around with this thing had no idea what they were doing.
Oh no.
The wire's fried.
No.
Amateurs. There's no way I can fix this.
Okay.
I need to find a valve.
Darn you! Stupid amateurs. Ooh, another coin. I probably won't be able to pick it up, but that's fine. Yeah, can't pick it up. I don't know why, but I suddenly can't pick up these stupid coins. Calm down, it's only just stamina. I mean, you right, dude? I mean, you don't really sound so good. Alright. So, I'm guessing I have to go this way. Back to where that cat is. Oh gosh. Please save, please save. Yes! Thank you, Lord! I'm walking. Alright. Whoa! I'm running, I'm running. Oh no, it's that stupid ball again. Uh-oh. Whoa! Ah! Okay guys, that's literally what I'm gonna leave this episode here. That was way too tough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all next time guys. Peace out.